Hey there, everybody! We all know how important it is to start our day off right. It sets the tone for the rest of our day. Some people like to meditate, some like to work out, and some just like to hit the snooze button a few times. You know who you are. Me? I like to start my day with a big glass of warm lemon water. Now, before you wrinkle your nose and say, "Ellen, that sounds boring," hear me out. This isn't just any ordinary drink, it's like a little burst of sunshine for your insides. Plus, it's super easy to make. Just squeeze half a lemon into a mug of warm water and voila! You've got yourself a magical elixir. This simple habit can make a world of difference. I'm talking glowing skin, a happy belly, and even a little help in the weight loss department. And trust me, I've tried all the crazy diets out there. This one actually makes sense. So, are you ready to discover the surprising benefits of drinking warm lemon water every morning? Let's dive in. First things first, we all know how important it is to stay hydrated. Our bodies crave water, especially after a long night's sleep. But plain water can be, well, a little plain. That's where the lemon comes in. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water not only makes it taste a whole lot better, but also encourages you to drink more. And the more hydrated you are, the better your body functions. It's a win-win situation. Think of it this way. When you're dehydrated, you feel sluggish, your skin looks dull, and you can't focus. But when you're properly hydrated, you're like a well-oiled machine, ready to take on the day. Now let's talk about vitamin C. It's like the superhero of vitamins, boosting your immune system and protecting your cells from damage. And guess what? Lemons are bursting with it. We all know how important it is to stay healthy, especially during those pesky cold and flu seasons. A daily dose of warm lemon water can give your immune system the extra support it needs to fight off those nasty germs. And it's not just about fighting off colds. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, which keeps your skin looking young and radiant. Who needs expensive creams when you have lemons, right? Section 4. Happy belly, happy you. Let's be real. Nobody likes feeling bloated and uncomfortable. We've all been there. But did you know that warm lemon water can actually aid digestion and soothe your stomach? The citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of digestive juices, which helps break down food more easily. And who doesn't love a happy belly? It's the key to a happy life. Plus, warm lemon water can help flush out toxins and promote regularity. It's like a gentle cleanse for your system, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Section 5. The Skin Time It Secret Revealed. Okay, let's talk beauty secrets. We all want that healthy, radiant glow, right? But sometimes it feels like we've tried every cream and serum under the sun with no luck. Well, guess what? The secret might just be in your kitchen. Remember how we talked about vitamin C and collagen production? Well, that's not all lemons can do for your skin. They're also packed with antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals that can damage your skin and cause premature aging. Drinking warm lemon water regularly can help flush out toxins, improve your complexion, and give you that natural glow we all crave. It's like a mini facial from the inside out. Section 6. Your journey to a lighter you. Now, I'm not promising any miracles here, but many people, myself included, find that drinking warm lemon water in the morning can actually support weight loss efforts. The pectin fiber in lemons can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings throughout the day. And let's be real, who hasn't raided the snack drawer at 3 p.m.? Plus, staying hydrated is crucial for weight management. Often, when we think we're hungry, we're actually just thirsty. So, before you reach for that bag of chips, try drinking a glass of warm lemon water instead. You might be surprised at the difference it makes. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the amazing benefits of drinking warm lemon water every morning. It's a simple, easy, and delicious way to boost your health and well-being. Give it a try for a week and see how you feel. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, add a slice of ginger or a dash of cinnamon for an extra kick. Remember, taking care of ourselves shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be fun, enjoyable, and most importantly, delicious. Now go forth and conquer your day with a glass of warm lemon water in hand. You got this!